Imagine a world where machines can write essays, create art, and even hold conversations like humans. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, thanks to a technology called generative AI. Generative AI, powered by tools like ChatGPT and DALL, is revolutionizing the way we create, communicate, and think. But how did we arrive at this point? And what implications does this have for our future? In this video, we'll explore the rise of generative AI, its transformative impact, and its significance for you. Let's dive in. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence designed to create new content, whether it's text, images, music, or even code. Unlike traditional AI systems, which typically analyze data to make predictions or decisions, generative AI goes a step further by producing something entirely new. This capability is achieved through large language models and neural networks, which are sophisticated algorithms trained on vast amounts of data. These models are inspired by the human brain, with layers of interconnected nodes that process information in complex ways. For instance, ChatGPT, a prominent generative AI model, was trained on billions of text samples from books, articles, and websites. This extensive training enables it to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Similarly, DALL was trained on millions of images, allowing it to create detailed artwork from simple text descriptions. Imagine typing a futuristic city at sunset, and within seconds DALL produces a stunning piece of art depicting exactly that. The transition of these tools from experimental labs to practical, everyday applications marks a significant milestone in AI development. But how did this transformation occur? The rise of generative AI can be traced back to the pioneering work of OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT and DALL. ChatGPT, which launched in late 2022, quickly captured the public's imagination. It wasn't just a chatbot, it could write essays, debug code, and even compose poetry. Within weeks of its launch, ChatGPT became the fastest-growing app in history, amassing over 100 million users. Its ability to assist with tasks ranging from customer service to creative writing made it a game-changer across industries. On the other hand, DALL redefined artistic creation. By merely providing a descriptive prompt, users could generate intricate and unique artworks in a matter of seconds. This accessibility and creative power led to widespread adoption among artists, marketers, and hobbyists, who used DALL to bring their imaginative concepts to life. These generative AI tools not only showcased technological advancements, but also sparked widespread cultural discussions about creativity, ethics, and the future of work. Generative AI isn't just a fascinating novelty, it's actively transforming various industries. In content creation, writers and marketers leverage ChatGPT to draft articles, advertisements, and social media posts, thereby enhancing their creative processes. In the realm of art and design, tools like DALL and Midjourney enable artists to experiment with new styles and techniques, with Hollywood utilizing AI for concept art and storyboarding. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in writing reports, analyzing medical data, and discovering new drugs, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. The gaming industry benefits from AI by using it to create realistic characters, dialogues, and immersive worlds. In education, both students and teachers utilize ChatGPT to explain complex concepts and generate practice questions, making learning more interactive and personalized. However, the powerful capabilities of generative AI come with significant responsibilities and challenges. One major concern is job displacement. Will AI replace writers and artists? Many experts argue that AI will augment rather than replace human creativity, serving as a valuable tool that enhances productivity and innovation. Misinformation is another critical issue. as tools like ChatGPT can generate convincing but false information, complicating the task of distinguishing fact from fiction. Bias in AI models is a concern too. Since these models learn from vast datasets, they can inadvertently inherit and perpetuate biases present in the data. This can result in unfair or harmful outputs. Additionally, questions about copyright and ownership of AI-generated content remain unresolved, prompting ongoing debates among legal experts, creators, and policymakers. Addressing these challenges requires collective efforts from governments, companies, and communities to ensure the ethical and responsible use of generative AI. Looking ahead, the future of generative AI holds immense promise. Imagine having a personalized AI assistant that understands your preferences and helps you organize your day-to-day activities. In the metaverse, generative AI could create dynamic virtual worlds and lifelike characters, offering immersive experiences like never before. Moreover, AI has the potential to accelerate scientific discoveries in fields such as medicine, climate science, and space exploration, driving significant advancements that benefit society as a whole. The possibilities with generative AI are limitless, and one thing is certain: this technology is here to stay, reshaping our world in profound ways. From transforming industries to igniting ethical debates, generative AI is making a lasting impact. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL are just the beginning. The future trajectory of this technology is in our hands, and it's up to us to navigate its potentials and challenges responsibly. From transforming industries to sparking ethical debates, generative AI is making a lasting impact. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL are just the beginning. The future trajectory of this technology is in our hands, and it's up to us to navigate its potentials and challenges responsibly. What do you think about generative AI? Are you excited, concerned, or both? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the world of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.